What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how to get the Icewing Plate Boots in Crimson Desert. These boots provide Cliff with 15 points in attack and 7 points in defense. For Abyss Gears, it's got one that multiplies swim speed by 2% and one that provides another 3 defense. It's located inside the territory of Payloon, just directly to the right side of Payloon's letter A. It's inside a place called Sanctum of Solace. When you're there, just go deeper into the sanctum until you reach its western ruins by the tall tower. And when you see a giant dead tree in the middle, then you're at the right spot. Now from where the tree is standing, face the northeast direction, and you'll be looking at this tall tower. What you need to do next is approach the tower wall, aim at the ground, jump, and force palm 3 times, until you're able to grab onto the ledge. Climb down a bit and make sure you're grabbing onto the left or right sides of this portion with the distinct looking bricks. Hold Q to resist and latch onto the wall, and press middle mouse to force pop. This wall will rotate and you'll find yourself in a room with a chest. Loot that chest and you got yourself another pair of premium plate boots. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.